In this video, I'll show you how you can add a calendar to your Microsoft Excel. Now first what you want to do is you want to open up Excel and you want to get the developer tab. Now if you don't have this, what you want to do is you want to right click on help, go to customize the ribbon and activate it on the right hand side. Now once this is done, you want to open up developer and then press add ins. From in here you're going to go to the store and you want to type in a calendar. Then the first one that pops up is mini calendar and date picker. We're just going to press add, continue, and as you can see it will now load and it will add a calendar to your Excel. Now what you can do with this is you can select things, you can put the current time and everything like how you want it. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.